Hello everybody! In this quick video, I will tell you all about our two distinct product families and show you why professionals prefer Philips floodlights products for their jobs. Our Philips floodlights fit a vast number of application areas such as outdoor, parking lot, facades, retail front, warehouse and recreational sports. If you're looking for great performance, we recommend to first look at our Coreline Tempo range of floodlights. The product lifetime stands at an impressive 75,000 hours at L70 with savings of up to 66%. How does this compare to Ledinaire floodlight? 50,000 hours lifetime at L70 and provides 60% savings. The Coreline floodlights have an efficacy up to 133 lumen per watt, in comparison to the Ledinaire 120 lumen per watt for 24,000 lumen maximum. Both products have a color temperature of 4000 Kelvin. And what about optics and dimming options to optimize the floodlight's performance? Both families count on symmetrical and asymmetrical optics. And it's important to highlight that Coreline floodlights provide high-performance optics. Coreline Tempo is presented with DALI versions, while Ledinaire has versions with a motion detection sensor. While Ledinaire has basic surge protection, Coreline Tempo has extended surge protection up to 10 kV. Both Philips floodlight family's housings are built in die-casting aluminium with a tempered glass cover, ensuring robustness with an impact rating of IK08 in most of the sizes. All Coreline Tempo products come with a mounting bracket with universal U-shape. The tilt angle can be scale regulated. In addition, Coreline Tempo can be available with seaside resistant treatment and swimming pool protection. The floodlight range is made for easy installation. Philips Ledinaire includes a strip cable of 1 meter length, and Coreline Tempo floodlights can be even faster to install as they come with an IP66 quick connector with 3 poles. It's important to mention that Philips Coreline Tempo has the ENEC and ENEC Plus marks. That's it about Philips Coreline and Ledinaire floodlights. Check out Floodlight under Products in the Signify LoomExpert app.